guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do part 2 of the rendering videos. So yeah, let's get into it. In the last Blender video, I talked about rendering and materials as well, if you remember. If you watched my last video. If you didn't, I don't know. Good luck if you didn't check that. You can check that if you can check that before you watch this video, because if you watch that video then it's better. But if you're new to our channel and you're new to our Blender series, then you should start from the beginning. And also, if you're new, you should subscribe and like and hit that bell, and also share this video. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna drag this into the subsurf color, and I'm gonna turn this down. Yeah, like that. Okay, good. Now, in the last video, I also said I was a cycled guy. I like cycles because it's more realistic, and this is like more cartoonish, like you can see here. I mean, it's still good, but not that good. So I'm just gonna go to cycles again. Gonna take some time. And by the way, if you look up here, it says sample. Oh no, it doesn't, because samples have already been counted. So if I move, you can see it's coming. Oh wait, look up here. Okay, look up here. It's starting. It usually by default it starts from 30. The sample count. But it's fast enough that you can't even see the 30. But it has this 30 up here, and then it goes backwards from 30 all the way to 0. And then once it gets to 0, it's not grainy, but it will be like a little bit grainy. So I have to do some things. What happened here? Okay. So first, we can do the denoise, and you will see it's really blurry. It's really blurry. So if you open this, it might it's getting really blurry. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this at default. You don't have to do this, because I'm just doing it for my own self. If you wanna follow me, then be my guest. But I'm just doing this in cycles because I like cycles. So max samples, I'm probably gonna raise it to just here like that, and minimum min samples. Let's see, I'm just calculating, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna, there's another denoise. Let's see what this is. Oh, you can do the optics. Yeah, I'm gonna use optics. I didn't know that. I don't care. I'm just going. I have no idea what this is. Oh. Turn that off. Sorry. Oh my god. I got it all around. It's not in the viewport. Not the threshold in the viewport. You have to do it here. So uncheck this box, and I'm gonna set it to 0.1. Good. And I'm gonna change this. If you change this to high, be my guest, because if you change it to high, it'll take like so much time to render. So I'm just gonna for something like that. In samples. Again, I'm just gonna set it to 0, and by the way, seconds. I'll just show you what it does. If you set it to 2 seconds, and then you render this thing, you'll see it takes 2 seconds. It doesn't take 2 seconds. Oh, yeah, it takes 2 seconds. Almost. It tries. Okay, so I'm gonna set it to 0. And by the way, if you're wondering how it does the denoise, it's artificial intelligence. So there's artificial intelligence. So yeah, whatever. I'm gonna uncheck this box, and then go back to Eevee. And yeah, you might see a few changes in my donut. The light is a bit closer. I changed that because I noticed like there's not really light, so I did that. And it's probably done for our part 2 of our video, of our rendering video. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bye bye. I'm gonna go.